boys and girls. We're going to go over the topic 10 math review. So you have your test coming up tomorrow online. So don't forget to go online onto Pearson Realize and take your online assessment. So number 1, it says Emily has 100 sun stickers and she has 382 star stickers and 10 moon stickers. How many sun and star stickers does Emily have? So don't get fooled. Sometimes they give you extra information that's not necessary. So in this case, we're going to take a look at the sun stickers. She has 100 and 382 star stickers. Okay, so we always start with the ones place first. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 8 is 8. And 1 plus 3 is 4. Or if you knew that 382 plus 100 more is just 482, then you got it right. Okay, so the correct answer is B. Number 2, Tyrone collects baseball cards. He gives 138 cards to his friend. And now, how many does he have left? He has 428 cards. So how many baseball cards did he have before he gave some away? Well, we know that if he now has 428, because he gave this many away, that means he must have started with a number bigger than 428. So we have to add these two numbers together. We know that 8 plus 8, because we're starting with the ones place first always, 8 plus 8 is 16. Instead of writing 16 here, I regroup 16 like that. And then 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. And we know 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is D, 566. Okay, number 3, use the open number line to solve the problem and write the missing numbers in the boxes. 421 plus 250. So we're going to start with 421. And we want to add 100 more because we're adding 250. So 100 added to 421, we just add 100 to make 521. Then we add another 100 to the hundreds place, which is 621. Then we add 50 more to 21. So if I were to look at this and I say 5 tens added to 2 tens, that would make 671. So the answer is 671. Could you also stack it and rewrite it and stack it and add it? Absolutely. Okay, moving on. Which is the same amount as 528 plus 167? First, we need to add 8 plus 7. We know that 8 plus 7 is 15, so we need to regroup. 15. Then we add the tens. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. Then we add the hundreds. 5 plus 1 is 6. So now we need to add these 4 addition sentences and see if we get the same number, 695.
This is 94, 695. This equals 695. When we add these 3 items, we get 695. And when I added these 3, we also got 695.
Number 5, is the sum equal to 488? Choose yes or no. So we have to add each 478 plus 10 more. I know I can do it in my head. I can use mental math. 478 plus 10 more would be 488. Yes. 388 plus 100 more, I can also do mental math, is 100 more than 300 is 400 plus 88. Yes, it's 488. It's also good to solve your answers like this. 248 plus 240, I add the ones place, 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4, yes. And this last one, again, I'm just going to stack it. It's one of the easier ways. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. Yes, it's 488. So now number 6. Rich has 335 pennies. Beth has 58 more pennies than Rich. How many pennies do they have in all? So first we have to figure out how many Beth has. We know that she has 58 more than Rich. So let's add them together. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is 9. And 3 plus nothing is 3. So we know that Beth has 393. Now we need to see how many pennies do they have in all. So we have to add Beth's total and Rich's total. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 9 plus 3 is 12. So we're going to regroup. Carry the 1. And 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. And that's how we get our answer, which is 728. D. Next it says,
write the numbers on the cards and write them in digits. Well, 6 plus 2 we know is 8. 7 plus 5 we know is 12. So what would we have to do? We would have to... Okay, and now 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 2 more is 7. So we'll take this. Next one, 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, and we know we need to regroup. 3 plus 5 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 2 equals 6.
Number 8. Molly reads 184 pages. Pat reads 294 pages. What is the total number of pages they read in all? Use any strategy. So you've learned many different strategies. Okay, we'd like you to show your work. So 4 plus 4 we know is 8. 9 plus 8 more is 17. So we regroup. 2 plus 2 is 4. That's one way to solve. Here's another way. We can add the hundreds first, which is 100 plus 200 is 300. 80 plus 90 is 170. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then we add the ones, which is 8, then the tens, and then the hundreds, and we get the same number. So the answer is 478. The last problem. On Saturday, 449 people visit the zoo. On Sunday, 423 people visit the zoo. How many people visit the zoo in all? Use the open number line to solve and explain your work. So we started with Saturday, 449 people. That's what we started with. Then we added 400s right here, 400, to get 849. Then we added the tens, 20. And then we added 3 more to get these answers. And so if this is one way you wanted to explain, this is not the only correct answer, but you could say that you started at 449 and you added 400, then you added 20, and then 3, and you landed on 872. So you know that 449 plus 423 equals 872. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Bye.